Yeah, good morning everyone. Guys, how are you? How are you everyone? Hello Ankit, hello Tapasya, hello Ved Krishna. Okay. Very fresh. Good morning to all you guys. Okay, Agrim, Arsh, Tapasya. Okay. Rutvik, welcome, beta. Okay, on this Sunday morning, you all are waiting for that quiz. Okay. Vaibhav Pandilwal, welcome. Jay. Okay. And how much more? ओके चलिए गाइस मैं एज यूजुअल आपका मैथ टीचर अमन गुप्ता ओके एंड अगेन वेयर आर यू ओके हेलो हितेशी why you all are here that is the main point okay you are here to learn something from me you want to check you want to grasp yes Krishna I got it yeah you want to learn you want to grasp some knowledge from me yeah as usual I promise to you today we are going to sharp your NTRC grasp on the topic coordinate geometry ठीक है आज हम बात करेंगे आपके चैप्टर कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री की ग्रास्पिंग की हाउ मच यू कैन इंप्रूव योर ग्रास्पिंग एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन comes in that exam okay चलिए let's begin quietly I will tell you about Unacademy subscription as you know that what you will get after getting Unacademy subscription you get live quizzes classes interaction with educators live polls test series and live doubt clearing sessions these five tools which you get after getting your Unacademy subscription okay guys hello Ajinkya and hello Ritesh. Next thing is what? If anybody of you want to go for an academy subscription, you have these five choices 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. Okay, yeah, how we can get it free. Okay, and when you applied it, then what? My code is pack 10, then you will get direct 10% off on that prices. Okay, and that price will reduces to X. 12-month plan will be on 15,750 and 24-month will be 18,900 rupees only. Okay, yeah, 10% discount. What you will get additional benefit from my side? From my side, you will get next 1 year mentorship and full support and daily 1 hours doubt class timing for solving your math, mental ability, and all the query related to your math study. Okay, when you take any subscription, applying my code, take the screenshot, send it to me. Okay, then I'll provide you 1 year complete support and mentorship. Okay, clear है guys? चलिए if anybody have any confusion regarding this plan and everything he or she can contact me at 7374089 112 okay guys चलिए so move on further come on the test coordinate geometry okay जल्दी से आ जाओ फटाफट से सारे लोग जो लोग भी रह गए जल्दी से very quickly come everybody live yes Rutvik what's your doubt beta tell me ऋत्विक हैव सम डाउट बेटा अभी तो आपने क्विज स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया स्टिल वी आर नॉट स्टार्टिंग द क्विज व्हाट्स योर डाउट टेल मी क्विकली या हाउ वी गेट कॉइन डिस्काउंट नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड ऋत्विक ओके यू कैन कन्वे टू मी पर्सनली ओके now if I tell you about quiz tell me about your quiz again we have two rounds in the quiz round 1 जहां पर हम बात करेंगे लेवल 1 के क्वेश्चंस की एंड देन आफ्टर वी टॉक अबाउट लेवल 2 ओके जहां पर हम थोड़े से अपर लेवल और डायरेक्टली एनटीएससी लेवल क्वेश्चंस की बात करेंगे टोटल 15 क्वेश्चंस 10 of level 1 question and 5 of level 2 questions okay again I have to see how much of you are going to be in top 3 in today's quiz okay guys so all of you are ready कितने लोग बिल्कुल प्रिपेयर होकर आए हैं क्विज के लिए ओके चलो तो बच्चों एज यूजुअल आपको रूल्स तो पता ही है. नोबडी विल आंसर इन द व्हाट कमेंट बॉक्स. ओके, आप सबको आंसर जो करना है ओनली एंड ओनली इन व्हाट द पोल. ओके, चलो 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 लेट्स चेक. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ओके, क्विकली आपको आइडिया है ये ऑलरेडी. लिटिल बिट टिप इंट्रोडक्शन. बच्चों कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में द 5 टाइटल्स जिन पर हमें डिस्कशन करना है. अच्छा, अटेंडेंस पोल. ओहो, चलो अटेंडेंस लगा दो फटाफट से पहले तो. श्योर श्योर श्योर. ओके, पहले मैं बता दूं बेटा, सबसे पहले हमें बात करनी होती है डिस्टेंस फार्मूला की. लेट अ क्विक इंट्रो अबाउट दिस चैप्टर, देन वी स्टार्ट द क्विज. ओके, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट डिस्टेंस फार्मूला, देन सेक्शन फार्मूला, और इसके अंदर बेटा इफ वी गो फॉर द एनटीएससी लेवल, देन वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट बोथ इंटरनल एज वेल एज एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन. Okay, while your CBSE we talk only about the internal division. Next is about area of triangle. और बच्चों एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल में ही कंपाइल्ड होती है क्या? Just hold on, I will come to each and everything, not to worry. Okay, Srinivas, you are new. Okay, not to worry. Next is condition of collinearity and next is special points. Okay, चलिए अब let's see. पहली हेडिंग जो है the first title which is distance formula. Is anybody have any doubt in distance formula and have any query about distance formula? Tell me yes or no. Okay. सोनू शक्ति है, शैलेंद्र है और अक्षत है. सर प्लीज चेंज पेन कलर. ओके ओके, नो इश्यू विद. नाउ इज इट फाइन. बेटा डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला जो होता है उसका दैट फॉर्मूला विल बी व्हाट, रूट ओवर x2 minus x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 minus y1 whole square. That is the formula for distance. Okay, Ars beta you have done na. If somebody have doubt, he or she can free to ask their doubt. Okay, welcome Anusmita. Okay, clear up the distance formula. Okay, now next section formula. Is anybody have doubt in section formula? Tell me. Is there anyone who have doubt in section formula? No, because in the last 3 class already I will discuss each and everything in very detail. Okay, okay, somebody wants. Okay, guys, the section formula is what? Section formula is what? That if there is a line A, B. A quick introduction, guys. Not to worry, we are very soon starting the quiz. AB is a line, okay, which have coordinates x1 and y1. AB is a line which have coordinates x1 and y1. Okay, guys. Next, what B point have coordinates x2 and y2. Okay, and if there is any point P which divides line A and B in the ratio m ratio n. Okay, guys. Then the coordinates of point P will be what? What going on? That points will be m x2 plus n x1 over m plus n. And similarly for y, it will be m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. Okay, guys, that's the formula of section formula. Clear? That is for internal division, guys. Sorry, it is plus. And when we go for external division, guys, so in the place where it plus, that comes minus when we talk about external division. Clear, everyone? Okay. Tell me now about area of triangle. Yes, yes, बेटा CBSE के सिलेबस से एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल रिमूव हो गया है, बट हियर वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट एनटीएससी लेवल. ओके, या एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एंड कंडीशन ऑफ कोलिनियरिटी. हाउ मच ऑफ यू हैव डाउट? Text me doubt so that I have to know how much of you will have doubt in that. Tell me. Explain area of triangle and area of quadratic. Okay, yes. Anuj Patil, wait beta, we come on the question after clearing the doubts of everyone. Okay. Okay, not to worry. Not to worry. Okay. First understand area of triangle, because area of triangle and condition of collinearity both are the same concepts. So what the concept of area of triangle, guys? Let's consider a triangle. Okay. I consider triangle A, B, C. Okay, whose vertices are x1, y1. I will take the coordinates of vertices, and x2, y2, and x3, y3. Okay, guys, means I have to find the area of this triangle when all the three vertices are given. Clear? Vertex are what? x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Now, guys, the area which we can define from the vertices, formula was what? Formula was half magnitude of x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1. It is y2 minus y3. Okay, keep in mind, guys, because इस पर हम काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस आज की क्लास में करने वाले हैं. प्लस x3, y1 minus y2. That is the formula for area of triangle when all the three vertices are given to you. Welcome Drishti, welcome Hitesh, and welcome Abhishek Kumar. Okay, guys, and when we talk, guys, मैंने ये magnitude क्यों लगाया है? Because you have to keep in mind area will never be negative. बच्चों, अगर अंदर वाली वैल्यू, if inside value comes negative, then this magnitude converted into the positive. Yes, good morning Abhishek. Okay, you have to keep in mind this very important thing. Okay, if sometimes area will come negative, then this magnitude sign converted into the positive. Okay, now that is about area of triangle. So it is clear, everyone, area of triangle? It is clear, everyone, area of triangle? Okay, now talking about condition of collinearity, COC. गाइस, कंडीशन ऑफ कोलिनियरिटी का मतलब, मीनिंग हम समझें. कंडीशन ऑफ कोलिनियरिटी मतलब कोलिनियर मींस all these three A, B and C was in what? In the same line. Now guys, tell me, if these three A, B and C was lying in the same line, tell me one thing, if A, B and C all three lie in the same line, then is they form any triangle? Tell me yes or no. If A, B, C are in the same line, then it can be formed any triangle? No. Yes, you all are right. So guys, in that case, area of triangle ABC is equals to 0. Guys, keep in mind this condition very carefully, because every time NTSC asks क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस कंसेप्ट. हेलो दिशा. ओके गाइज, आज हम काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे भी जो प्रीवियस ईयर एनटीएससी में आपसे पूछे गए हैं, और अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस की बात भी हम करेंगे. ओके, सो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी शुड बी 0 व्हेन ऑल 3 पॉइंट्स आर कोलिनियर. सो क्लियर टू एवरीवन व्हाट इज एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एंड व्हाट इज कंडीशन ऑफ कोलिनियरिटी? इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? यस और नो? टेल मी. Okay, chali, good. So now we start the quiz, and first question is on your display. Again, I said to you last time, nobody comment answer on the comment box. Everybody have to clear everyone. Okay, so all of you have to comment when the poll comes. Yeah, I will give 45 seconds for each and every question in level 1. Okay, and 90 seconds for level 2. Clear everyone? Yeah. So first question is on your display, and 45 seconds you will have. Yeah. Go with it. You have 45 seconds from now. Then I give you quiz poll. Okay. चलिए, let's move on. Everybody, but those who done all my last 3 classes of coordinate geometry, hope so he or she will be much more comfortable to solve this quiz today. Okay. How much of you are new and doing first class of mine? Tell me. How much of you done the going to do first class of me? Arsh Narula, Ritesh Kumar, Srinivas, and okay, okay. So, but those who are new, I'll say to you, better follow me on an Academy app because what the benefit for you? If you follow me, then you will get all the updates and previous links of my class where I discuss each and everything from very basic in detail of coordinate geometry. ओके एंड फर्दर अपकमिंग क्लासेस के अपडेट्स भी आपको बेटा मिलते रहेंगे. ओके चलिए, सो टाइम इज गोइंग अप. शुड वी हैव स्टार्ट पोल? दैट्स योर पोल. लेट्स सी. ओह, ऋत्विक, शैलेंद्र, वैभव, दृष्टि, कृष्णा, हितैषी एंड शौरिक. Yeah, sure. Yeah, surely, Ritesh and Rutvik, I will explain you surely how we have to solve. Yeah, not to worry. But first, see the laser board. Yeah, surely, Shanshakti, I will explain. Tapasya, Arsh, Jitesh, Rutvik, Shalendra, Vaibhav, Drishti, with Krishna, Hiteshi, and Shaurik was on the top 10 laser board this time. Going for the next. Okay. Now we talk about explanation. Guys, what the question says, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point this comma this. So first I have to plot a line segment. Let it take A, let take it B. Coordinate of A will be -2 comma -3 and coordinates of B will be 5 and 6. Okay, so what we have to say, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point this and this is divided by x-axis. Guys, I can consider this is divided by in ratio m ratio n. Or guys, I tell you one thing when I teach you, when on the x-axis, any point which lie on the x-axis have y coordinate will be what? Tell me. Any point on the x-axis have its y coordinate will be 0. यानी बेटा इस पॉइंट P का y coordinate क्या होने वाला है? 0. And if I go according to the formula, अभी अभी आपको फॉर्मूला बताया, the formula will be what? my2 plus ny1 over m plus n. Okay, now put that values. But consider it at x1 or y1 and this will be at x2 y2. Put all the values. M y2, what is the value of m? We don't know m. What is y2? Y2 is 6. What is n? We don't know n. What is y1? We don't know. Yes, y1 is -3 upon m plus n. Okay guys, so this m plus n goes into 0 and when you solve it, what you get? 6m is equal to what? 3n and m over n is equals to what? 1:2. Clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Tell me yes or no. चलिए चलिए, go with next. Go with next. Okay. Second question is on your display. And guys, इसमें at least you required 60 seconds. सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा प्रॉपर. 4 points PQRS on AB dividing the join of A 2,3 and B 7,8 into 5 equal parts. Find the coordinates of point R. आपको बताने हैं point R के coordinates. Okay, go with it. Go with it. You have to require at least 60 seconds for solving this question. Everyone. Yeah, IS Aditya Arka. Welcome, madam. Hint. Okay, Ritvik want hint. Okay, Ritvik, I'll give you hint surely. But the question is what? That is a line segment AB. Okay. And what the question says? PQRS. Beta PQRS are the 4 points like this P, Q, R and S are the 4 points which divide this line into 5 equal parts. Okay, in that case you have to tell me what is the coordinate of point R. Okay, yes, go for it. Okay, प्रोजेक्शन फॉर्मूला इंप्लीमेंट करना है इसमें, जो मैंने आपको लास्ट क्लास में वेरी डिटेल वे में एक्सप्लेन किया था. ओके, या वेट, लास्ट 20 सेकेंड फॉर द पोल. Okay, welcome Rahul Singh. Okay. Should we start? Should we start, guys? Okay, okay. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's see how much of you done it right. Oh, Srinivas, Drishti, Hitesh, Shanu, Hiteshi, Shaurik and Shailendra Singh. Done it very fastly. Yeah. Oh, Vaibhav, come on first. Drishti, Shailendra, Vikshna, Hiteshi, Shaurik, Rutvik, Tapasya, Jay and Arsh Narula. Well done. Well done, all of you. Now tell me now how much of you are confused. Tell me how much you want the explanation of this question. Ritesh Kumar wants, and anybody else? Roshan Kumar wants, Himanshu Gupta wants. Okay, but I'll give you. Yeah, not to worry. But what the question says, divide into 5 equal parts. That means 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. Okay, clear it all? 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. Now guys, which point we have to find the coordinates? We have to find the coordinates of point R. Look at here. When you stand on point R, let's see how much parts on the left side? 3. And how much parts on the right side? 2. So tell me, can anybody tell me in what ratio point R divide the line AB? Hope so you all can see that divide in the ratio 3:2, right, by Hitachi, Srinivas and Jay Thakkar. Means point R divides AB in ratio 3:2. Yes, rightly say by Tapasya also. Okay, guys. So now you have M ratio N and consider it as X1 and Y1, and this as X2 and Y2. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Okay, okay. So now if you solve, then you will be get it. Okay, guys. Chaliye, go with next. Next question is on your display. Find the sum of values of k if the point this, this and this are collinear. Guys, अभी collinear condition मैंने आपको बताई थी. Okay, then you have to do it. Or almost required 60 seconds for this question. So you all have 60 seconds from now to solve it. Then I have to explain you in detailed way. Okay, chaliye, go for it. Go for it, everyone. Yeah. Rutvik want hint. Okay, Rutvik. Beta, abhi previously I said to you about condition of collinearity. Okay, so you have to apply that condition of collinearity in these points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, guys. Not to worry, this I'll give you proper time to solve this. Okay, not to worry. Not to worry. It takes time for calculation. कैलकुलेशन करनी पड़ेगी बेटा आपको. ये ओरल क्वेश्चन नहीं होगा. It's a you can take subjective question, like you can consider it. Okay. Okay, silencing done. Okay, not to worry, silencing बेटा, just wait. बाकी लोगों को भी करने दो. ठीक है, चलिए. Yeah, Shailen, if you've done it, kindly cross check because you are maintaining their top three, and I want to see you in top three till last. Okay, Shailen. Last 20 seconds, guys. चलिए, go for the poll. Yeah. Silencing says poll नहीं आया. बेटा check your network connection. Oh, well, Drishtri was on first, Krishna second, Saurik third, Hitachi come on fourth, Jay, Tapasya, Vaibhav, Agrim, Srinivas and Shailendra. Okay, beta, those who don't get the poll, check your network connection. Maybe some issue there. Okay, welcome Nitin. Okay, okay. How much of you have doubt? Tell me. How much of you have doubt in this question? Tell me honestly. Okay, Jay have doubt, and anybody else? Rutvik have doubt, and anybody? Shanu Sapti have doubt. Roshan Kumar, no doubt. Okay. Okay, okay. Chaliye, let's see. Those who have doubts, just take it quickly. Guys, as I tell you, for condition of collinearity, the area of triangle must be 0. So what you have to do, as I mentioned, x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3 as here. So what you do, area is equal to 0. And the formula was what? Half of x1. What is the value of x1, guys? K plus 1. Y2 minus y3. What is the value of y2? Minus y3. Plus x2. What? What is x2? x2 is 3k. And y3 minus y1. Guys, what is the value of y3? 5k minus 2k. And next is what? x3. x3 is what? 5k minus 1. Guys, I am doing what? I am putting all the coordinates in the formula of area of triangle. And here is what? y1 minus y2. 2k minus 2k minus 3. Okay, so guys, when you solve this equation, you get a quadratic in k, and the value of k will be what? 2 and 1 by 2. How much you get this value? 2 and 1 by 2 of k. Tell me. बेटा दो वैल्यू जाएंगी 2 and 1 by 2. How much of you will get it? That equation will give you a quadratic equation in k. Okay, only, yeah. So when you add it, 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 5 by 2. Okay, clear? Chaliye, go with next. That's a good question till now. If point this are collinear and a plus b is equal to 1, then you have to tell me the value of a minus b. Yes, Ritesh asked 5k from where? Beta 5k is y3. Sorry, value of y3. Okay, yeah. Go for it. And it also takes almost 60 seconds. Oh, that's a very good question till now. First good question in the class today. Chaliye, chaliye, go with it. Ritesh beta, go with the formula which I tell you for area of triangle and put all the value of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Okay, and when you put all three values, you have to solve that equation. Surely you will get two values of k. Okay, you have to cross check it, the values, and further if you have doubt, okay, can, okay Ritesh, okay Ritesh, you can convey with me, not to worry. Hello Harshit Pandey, yeah, not to worry. Okay, last 10-20 seconds, then I start poll of this question. Oh ho ho, many of you done it wrongly. Shailendra, Hitesh, Shaurik, Nitin, Hiteshi, Agrim and Arka. Done it right. And remaining one, many of you done it wrongly. Let's see the update in leaderboard. Oh, well, Shaurik, Drishti and Hiteshi, well done. Shailendra, with Krishna, Agrim, Jay, Tapasya, Vaibhav and Srinivas. Well done. Well done, guys. Okay. Now, how much of you have doubt? Tell me. Tapasya, Srinivas, Roshan Kumar. Okay. But again, the question same says the same thing. R collinear. So let's take it x1, y1, x2, y2. तपस्या you say one thing last time. अभी last comment आपका था बेटा 3 question in 30 minutes. अब now you are confused in this question. And when I am going to explain it, it will take 3 to 4 minutes. Many of you done it already, but I am explaining now, guys, because everyone is important for me. If my any single student have doubt, then I will explain each and everything. Okay, chaliye. So what is the formula? Our we have what half of x1. What is x1? Minus 3. Then y2 minus y3. That will be going b plus 5. Clear? And next is what? Next is what? B plus 5. Next is what? X2. X2 is what? A. What comes here? Y3 minus y1 minus 5 minus 9 plus x3 will be 4. And what remains here? Y1 minus y2. 9 minus b. Okay, chaliye. 1 by 2 comes in 0. It will be going what? Minus 3b minus 15. And it will going what? Minus 14a and plus 9 into 4, 36 minus 4b. And when you solve it, what you will get? Minus 14a minus 7b plus 21 is equals to what? 0. And when you further solve it, you will get 14a plus 7b is equals to what? 21. And further you will get 2a plus b is equals to 3. Clear? And we have one equation also, a plus b is equal to 1. And when you solve out these two equations, what you will get? You will get value of age 2, value of b age minus 1. Clear? So guys, a minus b will be 2 minus minus plus will be 1. So the value of a minus b will be 3. Clear everyone? Is anyone have any doubt now? Tell me. Okay, okay. Srinivas clear, Hitesh clear, good. Okay, okay. Go with next. Yeah. If a point 0, comma 2 is equidistant from the points, this. Find the value of m. Find the value of m. Yeah, I'll wait for next 45 seconds. You can go for it. Then let's see how much of you are right. It's challenging done already. Good. Chaliye, go for it. Yeah, Tapasya, not to worry. Waiting. Next 25 seconds more. चलिए, go with the poll. Oh, Agrim done it first this time. Srinivas, Shailendra, Vaibhav, Arka, Shaurik, Nitin Yadav. These all are done it right. Nitin Yadav, Rashmi Kumar, Shaurik also. Let's see what is the status of reservoir this time. Nice. Shaurik, Hitesh, Shailendra, Agrim well recovered. Very well recovered by Agrim. Vaibhav, Srinivas, Drishti, with Krishna, Jay and Tapasya. Oh. Chaliye, how much of you are confused? Tell me. How much of you are confused in this question? Tell me. Subhash, welcome, Subhash. Nobody have confusion? Okay. Just I am waiting for you, Agrim, to see you in top 3. Okay, nobody have doubt? Let's go with next. Should I go with next if anybody don't have doubt? Okay. Come on the next question. Yeah, the angle made by the line. Look the line carefully. The line is root 3x. Guys, the first question directly to your NTSC level. Plus 3 is equals to 0. Saket, are you present? Saket, are you present here? Tell me. Saket, are you there or not? Tell me. Not to worry, Srinivas. I will tell you the whole concept of this phenomena. Okay, not to worry. बेटा यहाँ पर आपके 10th क्लास का कंसेप्ट भी लगेगा, स्ट्रेट लाइन का कंसेप्ट भी लगेगा, कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री भी लगेगी, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री भी लगेगी. या एब्सोल्युटली राइट रंजीत भट्टाचार्य. यस, दिस क्वेश्चन इज प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन एनटीएससी लेवल डायरेक्टली. Okay, next 30 seconds more. It's a conceptual question. Those who read all the concepts, only that can do this question correctly. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see how much of you done it right. Oh, Arka, Srinivas, Vaibhav, Ranjit, Shaurik, Shailendra, Hiteshi, Ronak Kumar also. Shakir, are you present, beta? Oh, टॉप 3 पोजीशन फिक्स हुई है शौरिक, हितेशी और शैलेंद्र के बीच में. अग्रिम, वैभव बिल्कुल फाइट करते हुए पीछे से 4th और 5th पर किसी भी टाइम टॉप 3 में एंट्री कर सकते हैं. Srinivas, Jay, Drishti, with Krishna and Arka. Okay. How much of you are confused? Tell me. Yeah, Tapasya on 11. Well done, beta Tapasya. Come soon in top 10. Okay, okay. With Krishna want explanation. Anybody else? Tell me, tell me. Okay, Srinivas, I am waiting for you, beta. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt. Okay, good, 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 good. Nicely said, Wilson Kumar. Okay, not to worry, beta. You will follow your concept. If you think that is right, you can carry on. Okay, chaliye. Moving next. Okay. Yeah. Find the area of triangle by the which is formed by the lines 5x minus 3y plus 15 equals to 0 with coordinate axis will be. Okay. Yeah. Find the area of triangle formed by the lines 5x minus 3y plus 15 equals to 0 with coordinate axis will be. Guys, that's an oral question. Okay, okay, go for it. And I think that can be done only in hardly 20 seconds. Hardly 20 seconds you can do this question. Roshan Kumar, still you are not in top 10. If you follow this concept, still you are not in top 10. Let's see. Wait for you in top 10. Let's see who give it right. Hitashi, Agrim, Joy, Nitin, Vikrishna, Srinivas, Roshan, Tapasya, Shaurik, and Utkarsh. Good, good, good. Many of you are confused between C and B. Okay, okay. शौरिक हितैषी शैलेंद्र एंड फोर्थ पर फाइट करते हुए अग्रिम why are you not telling my name Ranjit Bhattacharya ji beta you are not coming in top 10 I will see the list only in top 10 persons okay Agrim Srinivas Jay Vaibhav Krishna Tapasya Roshan Kumar Ranjit in which rank you are right now can you please tell me from which rank you are right now बेटा आई विल मेरे पास जो लिस्ट विजुलाइज होती है दैट विल ओनली टॉप 10 आफ्टर दैट लिस्ट इज नॉट आई कैन व्यू दैट लिस्ट ओके या चलिए हाउ मच ऑफ यू आर कंफ्यूज इन दैट टेल मी जय हैव डाउट एंड एनीबडी एल्स हैव डाउट टेल मी एनीबडी एल्स हैव डाउट जय हैव डाउट तो बेटा जय लेट्स सी क्विकली it will be going what 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 15 and I'll tell you the basic way to write the equation right side में क्या होना चाहिए बच्चों 1 तो I'll divide this whole equation by minus 15 so when I divide it by minus 15 it will be what x over minus 3 plus y over 5 is equal to 1 so that is x-axis intercept that is y-axis intercept so I'll tell you the formula of triangle what half into x-axis intercept is minus 3 y-axis is 5 so the answer will be what minus 15 by 2 but I tell you what area will never be negative so area will be counted as 15 by 2 so option C will be the correct okay go with next Go with next. Oh, that will be same. Okay. Yeah. Another good question. Another good question. A triangle is formed by the lines x plus y is equal to 8. Okay. Find out its centroid. Yeah. Find out the centroid. Beta, it's again a good question for your LTFC level. Oh, has she done it? Well. Okay, you want all are one pole. Let's take it. No issue. Oh, A, B, and D. All three options for equally fight over here. That's good. Not to worry, Srinivas. I will explain you. Not to worry. Not to worry. बिल्कुल अग्रिम श्योर श्योर एक फर्स्ट पर मेंटेन करते हुए फर्स्ट पोजीशन हितैषी शैलन सिंह अग्रिम जय श्रीनिवास वेद कृष्णा वैभव उत्कर्ष नितिन यादव वेल डन हाउ मच ऑफ यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड हाउ मच ऑफ यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड टेल मी okay look at that guys that's a very easy question look at it guys what I tell you the basic equation of line x over a plus y over b is equals to 1. Okay, so let's convert this equation in that format. So what I can write? I can write it like x over 8 plus y over 8. Yes, Ved Krishna, that class is missed up. I know that. Okay, तो ये आ गई बेटा इक्वेशन आपकी. Now if I am going to plot this equation on the Cartesian plane, that will be like that. So that point will be 8 comma 0 and that point will be what? 0 comma 8 and that point is what? 0 comma 0. Okay guys, and what I have to do now? What I have to do? I have to find centroid. And can anybody tell me what is the formula of centroid? Anybody from you can tell me what is the formula of centroid? Guys, the formula of centroid will be what? x1 plus x2 plus x3 over 3 and similarly y1 plus y2 plus y3 over 3. Yes, rightly said by Hiteshi and Agrim. So guys, let's see that is x1, x2 and x3. You have to add, that will comes 8 over 3 and same for y, it will be 8 over 3. So that's a very important question which comes 2 times in NTSC till now. So clear everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Tell me. Clear to everyone? Okay. Go with next. Yeah, the distance between the point this and this will be. There are 2 points given to you and you have to tell me what is the distance between these 2 points. Okay. Go with it. Oh, all of you are right. This time I am shocked. 100%. First time. Well, well, well. Oh, it's 96% now. I'm shocked. I'm shocked very much this time. Yeah, yeah. First time it's going above 90%. Yes, yes. After that, I will start level 2. Sure, Tesi. Not to worry. Well, well, well. All three first rankers hold their rank. Shorik, Hiteshi, and Shalendu. Good. But agreement on fourth, fighting for coming in top three. Jay, Ved Krishna, Srinivas, Utkarsh, Nitin, and Vaibhav Khandelwal. Well done, all of you. Now, is any two confused? Is anybody confused? Tell me. Is anybody of you confused in this? Nobody will be confused. Yeah. Roshan Kumar, you are confused. Okay, Roshan, let's see. Let's take it x1, take it y1. Take it x2, take it y2. In the distance formula was what? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. When you applied it and solve it, you will get b part. That will be 5. Yeah, simply you have to apply the distance formula in this question. Okay, okay, go with the next. Guys, next class की बात बता दो. I will tell you at 2 p.m. At 2 p.m. we are going to meet you with the same level mega quiz of quadratic equation. Okay, and can you tell me how much of you are from class 9th or just completed the class 9th? Tell me. How much of you are currently in class 9th and just completed class 9th? Means just coming on the 10th this year. Tell me. Okay, okay. So guys, after this mega quiz at 2 p.m. Okay. I will also plan, yeah, Krishna, I understand. You are coming 9. I will also plan some mini quizzes for the students who are in class 9th or just finishes class 9th. Okay, maybe that will be around on 5, sorry, maybe on 6 and 8 p.m. today. Rapid fire quiz on mathematics at 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. especially for class 9th. Okay, 6 p.m. or 8 p.m. Rapid fire quiz in every chapter of mathematics. Yeah. चलिए, go with next. Level 2. Going to start? चलो. Let's see. Level 2. Question number first, which comes in your NTSC exam in 2019. For a triangle whose vertices are this, and this, the coordinate of the center will be, circumcenter will be. Yeah. Yeah, it's a tricky question, beta. Before that, you have to know about circumcenter and you have to know about the formula of circumcenter also. Total 5 question in round 2. Tapasya, I want to see you in top 10. But still, I will not see your name in top 10. Yeah. Next 40 seconds you attempt for this question. Okay, no shoot Tapasya. Yeah, welcome Ishan, welcome Manisha, welcome Shashank Shekhar. Okay. Hello Ishan Gupta. Last 20 seconds, guys. I want to see who is the smartest one in the group. Okay, hello Manisha. From which class you are? Ishan, Manisha, tell me. From which class you are? Okay, Manisha was from 9th and Ishan from 10th. Okay, so those who are late, I'll tell you beta at 6 o'clock and at 8 o'clock. We have rapid fire quiz, especially for those who are in class 9. And for links, you can contact me at 7374089112, or you can also follow me on an Academy app. Yes, आज बेटा आज, yes, आज ही आज. You can follow me on an Academy app for all the updates of my coming class. इससे आपको सारे सारे अपडेट्स मिलते रहेंगे. ओके, या इट्स फोर टाइम about each of my upcoming class. Okay, yeah, let's see how much of you done it right. Oh, very good. Many of you done it right. Jay, Krishna, Utkarsh, Shailendra, Nitin, Arka, Roshan Kumar. Okay. 54% done it right. Oh, yeah, Shaurik second. Oh, ho, 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 ho. First, Shailendra, Shaurik, Hiteshi, Jay, Krishna, Agrim, Utkarsh, Nitin, Roshan, and Arka. Well, all of you. Guys, I'll give you the hint for this question. Guys, let's understand the concept first. Guys, that is a triangle whose vertex is given to you. What is the circumcenter? Guys, circumcenter is the point which have equal distance from all three vertices. Okay, so you have to take it as x comma y. Okay, and if I take it as P and take it as A, take it as B and take it as C. So we know that PA barabar PB. PA will be equals to PB, and again we can write it PB is equal to PC. Guys, when we solve PA is equal to PB, we get one equation in x and y, and when we solve PB is equal to PC, then we get another equation in x and y. And when we solve these two equations, we get answer 5, 2. Clear it to you? Clear everyone? Tell me. Concept was clear or not? Okay. Go with next. डाकू मंगल सिंह. ओ भागो भागो भाई, डाकू आ गए. शिवांश तिवारी, वेलकम. Okay. Go with next. For the values for the area of triangle whose vertices are this, and this is 10 square units. Okay. Yeah, with Krishna you have to solve it, but if you not done it, then I will solve it again. Not to worry. Go with the next. And guys, this question comes in your NTSC Stage 1 2014. Oh, Jay Bhadrakal. Yeah. Daku Mangal Singh. Aya, Daku Aya. Good. Welcome, Neha. Oh, Tapasya wants coal. Very soon. ये रोशन कुमार, छोटा भीम किससे लड़ने आए हो भाई? ठाकुर मंगल सिंह से. Okay, not to worry. Yeah, 20 seconds more. But simply you have to apply area of triangle. Okay. Okay, okay. So let's see how much of you done it right. Oh, what is this? Only 20% of you done it right. Oh no, no, no. Only Roshan Kumar, Hiteshi, Agrim with Krishna. Well. Leaderboard changes very frequently. Hiteshi gain their first, Sheldon True, Shaurik third, Agrim with Krishna, Jay, Roshan, Utkarsh, Nitin and Arka. Because simply you have to put all the values in the area of triangle formula. Okay, and then you will get directly two values of variable A. Clear it to you guys? Go with the next. Another good question on this chapter, coordinate geometry. सर एक क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ है, कौन सा बेटा? बेटा ये लेवल 2 है, मैंने बोला था ना थोड़ी सी हाई लेवल की बातें करूंगा मैं, नॉट टू वरी. Go for it. 60 seconds for you. Yeah, wait time is 60 seconds. Not to worry. Okay, go with it. Go with it. Last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds, guys. Good. Correct. And again, tricky question. What? A and B are the points. Let's see for the leaderboard. Then we talk about the solution of this question. Okay, Shailendra, Hiteshi, Shaurik, Agrim, Krishna, Roshan, Jay, Utkarsh, Nitin and Arka. Well done. बेटा क्वेश्चन बड़ा सिंपल सा था. यू हैव अ लाइन ए बी लाइक दिस. अब बेटा इस लाइन को एक्सटेंड किया जा रहा है सी तक. एंड व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू? ए सी इक्वल टू 2BC. दैट मीन्स ए सी इज इक्वल्स टू 2BC का मतलब क्या हुआ बच्चों? मतलब हुआ ए सी अपॉन बी सी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 2:1. या गाइस एसी पूरा अगर 2 यूनिट 2 है और बीसी 1 है तो ए बी क्या बचा? 1. और गाइस ए के कोऑर्डिनेट्स आपको गिवन है -3:4. बी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स आपको गिवन है 2:1. अब गाइस सी के पॉइंट निकालने हैं. लेट मेक इट x, y. So in that case B will be the midpoint of line AC. Okay, चलिए go with the next and final question of today. If x comma 0, 0 comma y and y 1 comma 1 are collinear, then the relation between x and y will be. And you have 45 seconds for solving this question. 45 seconds. Yes, right question. Better Roshan, I belongs from UP, Agra, UP. What you want from me? Tell me. Yeah, you can take any support from me. Okay. Okay, Roshan, if you want any support and have any doubt, you can discuss it too with me. Not to worry. चलिए चलिए लास्ट 20 सेकंड लास्ट 10 seconds. Go with it very fast. Yeah, it's full time. Oh, good, good, good. Very good. Again, it's crossing almost 91%. Well done. Two times in today class, you cross. Good, good, good. Everyone, good. Very good. Oh, sorry, dear agreement. It's the last question. You have to participate in the. Oh, yes. Well, well, well. Agrim finally comes back in top three after beating Sharik Murthy. Yeah, first Saran Singh, Hitachi second, Agrim third. Well done, well done. Sharik with Krishna Roshan Kumar, Jay Thakkar, Nitin Yadav, Utkarsh Arka. Okay, I have to take the pick of my top three. Top three persons. Okay, guys, I will provide you in, yeah, sure, in my group where students all across from the India are added up. Guys, you have to wait for next 2 minutes. I am done a very important announcement. अब इस स्टेटस को जो भी आपका ग्रुप है बेटा उसमें मैं पोस्ट करने वाला हूँ जहां पर ऑल इंडिया के स्टूडेंट्स मेरे साथ एडेड अप हैं अन अकेडमी के नॉन अकेडमी के ओके चलिए तो दैट्स अबाउट ओवरऑल फॉर दिस क्विज okay now just important announcement guys that is my referral code spec 10 when you applied it in any subscription you will get directly 10% off from an academy and what you will get from my side when you apply my code spec 10 for any subscription either you will take 1 month subscription applied it take the screenshot and send it to me then I'll add you in my personal WhatsApp group. Okay, what the advantage you have? You have daily 1 hour for solving your doubts, math doubts. Okay, and overall mentorship and guidance by me. Overall mentorship and guidance by me till your goal. Either it will be NTSC, either it will be your CBSE. Not to worry anyone. Okay, chaliye now as I announce you at 2 p.m. we have a quiz on coordinate geometry. And the student who are coming in ninth and just completed their ninth, we meet surely at 6 p.m. or 8 p.m. in evening. Okay, for that you have to follow me on an Academy app for all updates. Anyone wants the timing of next class and link can convey at 7374089112. Okay, and can join Telegram also by searching AMAN 3UPT A0608. Okay, guys, till then, goodbye. Goodbye. Meet you soon again at 2 p.m. and also in that evening further. Yeah.